Welcome back to Huchos. 10,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. Like, unbelievable. I would never have pictured myself here like 3 months ago, even. But it's made me have a think, and I've decided that I'd love to do this full time if you'd have me. Uh, Science education is like a passion of mine. So I'd love to be able to communicate hydroponics and everything that this channel discusses to the world. To enable me to do this, I've started a Patreon account, and uh, I'm a huge believer in the fact that information should be free. So the last thing I want is a paywall for people. So there will be no exclusive content. You may receive uh, pre-release content, but nothing that's time sensitive. I want it to be a way for viewers to support the channel in providing content that's niche and not clickbait. And unfortunately, that's what the YouTube algorithm favors. Uh, Patreon will just allow me to focus on creating quality content without worrying about how many views it gets or, you know, all that jazz. So, no exclusive content, just support. Priority support as well for those that need questions answered immediately. Um, and there's some silly tiers on there as well, just because, aim high. So let's get back to the video. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the Hydro Show. It's the hydroponics show that's all about you guys. So, this format of show will evolve as I come to realize what it is. But for now, enjoy. So all of these submissions can be found on the Hucho subreddit. Head over there if you haven't already. Have a look. It's on the description of every video that I make. Uh, this episode will be mostly tackling the puck systems because I've had so many submissions. It would be almost impossible to get through all of the ones I've had so far in one video. Uh, the puck system has just exploded. Cheers, guys. The system's obviously working for you, and I'm really excited to have made something of value for the world. So the first featured system is by Daryl, who is our user Lone Polar Bear. He's been using the pucks in his propagator and propagating his seedlings to get through to what will be his NFT system once he's finished building it. Shano99 has been incorporating the puck system with pre-existing NetCup system uh, on his NFT. Reed Douglas is using pucks in an indoor passive system, and I assume it's crack key, and the ambient light from the window would also be helping the plants to get their light requirements. Swift Nim, who is miles ahead of me in construction of the framework for their NFT system. This is just a beautiful system. I'm jealous of the frame. Uh, it, it, I wish I had woodworking skills or just construction skills of like that. Um, it might be simple, but it's not for me. Jordan Bryars actually walked us through with photographs of the construction of his NFT system, as well as the first few successful plants and a short video of the progress of the plants in the NFT system, which is awesome. He's also presented an idea that I never thought of to hang or suspend wire above NFT channels to promote the growth of climbing vines and as support for tomatoes and taller plants so that you don't have to drape them over the system like I've done. And you can then use plant ties to suspend the plants above the NFT rail, which I think is ingenious. So in this series of videos, I'm going to award one viewer the golden puck, and I will come up with an actual golden puck or gold colored puck because I can't afford a golden puck. So the golden puck goes to Reddit user Floorcraft29. The reason for this is just a single photo that I received from them, amongst a few others, of the entire seed to system setup in one shot, which is just awesome. And then after that shot on the Reddit page, he posted progress updates of the plants in growth. And the growth is phenomenal. It's really good to see that this system is actually producing results for people. As usual, guys, I'm blown away with the response, and thank you for watching. Thank you for interacting. Thank you for giving me inspiration. There's been a heap of builds on there that I've just gone, wow, like, yes, I'm going to build that. I want to build something exactly like that. And as I do builds, I will give credit to those who had the original idea, um, so that, I'm not just plagiarizing people's ideas, but I do want to spread the inspiration. So thank you for your inspiration, and I'll see you next time on Who Chose.